So Cardi B's trial over this picture is coming up. I think it was originally set to go between October through November. She just had baby in September, and so she goes, I need basically a continuance. Let's push it like 70 plus days because I can't be going to court and then prepping with my attorneys. I have this newborn. And so, I think it's a reasonable request. And she goes, let's just push it back to January before we have to go duke it out in court. So basically what happened is that cover was used on a mixtape. And then, this guy's coming forward and he goes, I didn't give her permission, so she owes me money for using my likeness. So we have claims for publicity of use of name and likeness. And he goes, I didn't give you permission. And then her defense is, well, I didn't make any money because this was a mixtape. So since I didn't make any money, you haven't been damaged. And so the trial would be to make a determination of, was it an infringement of his likeness? We can maybe assume where it's going to go. It doesn't look great. Has he been harmed? And that's really the bottom line, guys. When we do lawsuits, when we, go to court, for example, there will be like a tattoo artist who files a lawsuit because the tattoo artist goes, that is my copyrighted creation. And it's amazing because that's actually a legal thing, right? So the person wearing the tattoo doesn't necessarily own it unless they got something in writing saying, I own this creative thing that the tattoo artist does, like a painter, right? So I guess we don't have the tattoo artist as part of this claim as far as I understand, but it's interesting because, not knowing a little bit more about this, I can at least say that just because someone didn't make money or didn't make very much money or didn't benefit, because obviously there's a value. The reason why we release mixtapes is because we want to get exposure. We want to advertise ourselves. If it was me and someone used my picture, as their cover, I would definitely have a claim. And I would be able to say that I was damaged, even though it's incredibly difficult to determine that damage, because what he's saying is like, I'm humiliated given the particular post, given the particular way that it was represented in that picture. And so now that's why you have to take it to trial, because you need a jury to come up with some kind of valuation. If they find the use of his likeness was not consented to, she needs to pay money.